Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of God of YouTube. So yeah, just a quick one, as we did. So obviously, previously, I've explained everything about how I set up the fish tank. I've talked you through, obviously, how I did it, which you can see how I've done that in the previous ones. Last time I talked to you about the mechanical side and all the ways that you can buy different types of wave makers. I showed you obviously the type of one that I'd got as well. We talked about the stability and obviously what that does and what that's for. Showed you a few bits and bobs as well. And now, which I'll put a teaser out for. So, if you can remember last time, or quite a while ago, I asked you all a specific question. And that particular question...
It was this video.
It was this video.
Mm.
Which is right
that
there.
That video.
Yeah. And that video was all about this little bad boy, which is right here. Every reefer should know exactly what one of them is. And I shall show you right now. So, in this box, nice little crafty kit, is obviously you get like it's the same thing you'd have like when you have a pair of glasses, which is just to obviously wipe down the lens on it, on the reflection meter. Obviously you get a bottle of solution, which is like a sterile cleaning solution for what you just put a tab on every time you've done with it. A pipette for obviously taking some of the water out onto the glass reader. Obviously a little screwdriver which comes with it as well in case you need to adjust the certain settings on it, as you know. So obviously that's what it comes with, and it also as well comes with one of these, which we all know what that is. So I'll just take you through it, just quickly get that out the wrappaging. Now I leave it in the wrappaging because I don't want it to get boshed about or, you know, the glass broke on it, because it has got glass. So every reefer knows what one of those is. And obviously with your water, your salt water, you would lift that up. You would then, if it needs to, tiny drop on there, get that, give it a clean, tad bit on there, give that a clean, get some water, as you do, at your fish tank, couple of drops right there, peel that back down. It will sort of leak out the sides, there's nothing you can do. And then when you look through there with your eye, and you look just like that, you should see the salinity through there. Now, I don't know whether you can see.
Get it up towards a light. Will I be able to get that on camera, or am I going to have to do that with a photo?
You probably have to.
I might have to do it with a photo because that's just a black screen.
Yeah. So obviously, when you look through it, it should when you're reading the salt levels in the water, it should always read 1.025. You can go up to 1.026, but it is best always, as an all-round safe, 1.025. That's the best for reefers. Now, everybody who's mixing their own salts, definitely you should have one, because you're never going to know otherwise, unless you're going to do what I've done, whereas you go and buy it already pre-made in barrels, which the pet shop already pre-make it for you. Now I've done that because I'm not well enough on making my own salts. I think it's too much mucking about, whereas you can go, by the time you've bought your salts and your barrels and your pumps and everything else that you probably need, you might as well find it a lot cheaper just to go and either buy outright or hire a barrel, in which case I've purchased these and pay a couple of quid extra on top for the water. So obviously guys, that was the teaser, as you know, which is if anybody did guess it right, been absolutely fantastic, spot on.
I'll tell you what, if anyone did put it in the comments correctly on that video there, we will comment and say you've got it correct.
Yeah.
Today, when this video goes out, we will comment to say you've got it correct.
Exactly. So guys, don't stick there. Definitely get commenting, because I know there's a lot of reefers out there as well that know what that is as well.
And obviously, if you've got any questions,
oh yeah, definitely
put them in the comments.
Yeah, definitely put them in the comments.
And maybe if we can get the filming equipment, we'll get Shane to do a water test using this on his tank.
Yeah.
And we'll show you exactly what it does and how it works.
Yep. And you know what? Carry it around anywhere. Nice little concealed contained box.
When it shuts properly.
Yeah.
You didn't shut that properly.
I didn't. No, I didn't. To be quite honest. But there you go. It's just a clip anyway. But yeah, nice little sealed box, as you know. So lovely job, babe. But yeah, guys, as I say, that's at the moment. That's everything that I've done so far. Like I say, so we've gone through everything at the moment. So we've gone through the stands, tanks, pumps, filters, waters, solutions, rocks, sands, pumps, everything that you need to know. Heaters as well, certain types of lights. Pardon me. I've showed you a bit now about what I've got now living inside the aquarium. And like I've said, guys, if there's anything added on new in the future, I will keep you updated on a monthly basis, as I did promise you all. So, yeah, guys, like I say, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And any comments, please link them down below. And I shall see you all soon, guys. Take care. See ya.